smiles across the miles.
Big up my mother.
Auntie Cherry, me miss you.
Yell up the little London district.
Stay connected this holiday season with your loved ones near and far by sending greetings across the world.
Greetings, greetings, greetings across the world. Greetings, greetings, greetings across the world. Big up, we are sending greetings out to everybody. Greetings across the world. Big up, we are sending greetings out to everybody. Greetings across the world. Greetings, greetings, greetings across the world. Greetings, greetings, greetings across the world.
GATW starts now.
I'm Chick and I'm sending greetings to Jamaica, especially my family, my sister Pearl, my sister Madge, my brother Gilbert, Ronald Gashop, which is my nephew. He passed away last year, but Tony is his brother. Big up Tony. Gilbert, I know you just leave USA and gone to Jamaica for Christmas. And I know you're gonna do the Christmas lights. Everybody enjoy your Christmas lights in Mandeville, because that when it comes to Christmas, that's where the highlight is in Jamaica. Trust me, I know that. Anyway, I hope you all have a good Christmas, lots of food, as usual. And let me say this. Sister Madge, I know last year you wasn't feeling so bright, you know? But I know you get a big turnaround. I understand, so you have a wheelchair now from Kingston, and everything is well, and you get well looked after by Big Hand, your son. My schoolmate, Edric Preddy, well, I know he's a government man. But I know, sir, you get slow in the years now. Because don't forget, when we was at school, you used to be my right-hand man, and I used to be your left-hand man. Remember that, Preddy? Anyway, let me say this. Earlier on in the year, you sent me 2, what we call avocado in England, but we know it as pear. Don't forget, boy, them are butter. I tell you, man, when I cut them, I just butter me see. Them wicked. Listen, anytime, any chance you get and see anybody come, you just drop 2 more, you hear? So as they would say, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Boop, 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 boop.
It's really devastating to know a beautiful country like Jamaica, and we are suffering because of Hurricane Melissa. But I want each and everyone to know that God is in the midst of this hurricane. And the same God that built Jamaica for 63 years, He's the same God will bring back that beautiful highland to what it was. All over the world is sending prayer to Jamaica because we all love Jamaica. The land of my birth, out of many we are one. Hold on, keep faith, don't give up. God is able to see us through. It may look hard, and I know many are crying, even us up here are crying, because we love our country and our family and our people so much. But let me tell you something. You go and look back and say, that was then, this is now. God is able. Together we stand because unity is strength. And we just say, one love Jamaica. Always.
Greetings, greetings, greetings across the world. Greetings, greetings, greetings across the world. Big up, we are sending greetings out to everybody. I love alone, we are sending it out digitally. To friends and to we family, and the real ones we halfway. In them hard thoughts, so we far apart. Chants, greetings across the world. Greetings across the world. Greetings across the world.
Send smiles across the miles.
Big up my mother.
Auntie Cherry, me miss you.
Yell up the little London district.
Stay connected this holiday season with your loved ones near and far by sending greetings across the world.